paano ko nagawa yung picture na to at saka yung picture na to into this.
Kauai 67630's water bottle with time marker and straw for outdoor fitness, hiking, and camping. Cute sports bottle.
In just one click, and the best part, it's free. So, paano ka pa kapagsimula dito? All you have to do is click the link in my bio, click the first tab, then click start for free. Tapos, meron ka makikita na copy link. So, i-click mo yung copy link. Tapos, pumunta ka sa browser mo, kagaya ng Google Chrome. I-paste mo doon yung link. Tapos, start free. At saka, pumili ka kung ano gagamitin mo sa pag-sign up. So, kung tatanungin mo ako, yung ginamit ko dito is yung Gmail. So, once natapos mo na itong steps na to, pumunta ka ulit sa video na to at saka mag-comment done. Kasi, ibibigay ko sa iyo yung step-by-step guide kung paano ito gawin just for free.